Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to share with everyone how important is great compassion. What's the key to help us to attain the Buddhahood is bodhicitta. As a path of attaining the Buddhahood, the most important foundation is a great compassion. Based on this great compassion, we can raise in the bodhicitta. Bodhicitta has a related true bodhicitta and the ultimate true of the bodhicitta. So right now we are going to describe what is a related true of bodhicitta. As we already know, without this bodhicitta, no Buddha can attain their Buddhahood. No being can attain their Buddha nature without their bodhicitta. According to Buddhist Sutra, Huayan Sutra, in this Buddhist Sutra, is clearly documented there is no 10th direction of a Buddha if there is no bodhicitta arising within them. So, in this Buddhist Sutra already explained to us, the seed of attained Buddhahood is bodhicitta. So now we know the importance of the bodhicitta. The relative truth of bodhicitta is benefit others, want to liberate all the beings by our own means, and want to help them to attain their Buddhahood, just like the intention we want to attain our Buddhahood. So this is the key essence of bodhicitta. Since we already realized the importance of bodhicitta, but actually how we can raise the bodhicitta. According to the teaching told by the Buddha, bodhicitta actually need to start with raising a great compassion. This great compassion means there is a dependent origination with our relationship with all beings. There is no self. All the beings with us are inseparable. It depends on origination. Because of this concept, help us to realize it's so important. Without free of the being's suffering, we cannot attain our Buddha nature. Because once we deeply to understand and learn the Buddha's wisdom, you will realize in the Buddha's wisdom, there is no self. Based on this concept, it's easy to understand why the Buddha, why the Bodhisattva has a so strong connection to the being. Because this is their true nature, great compassion. So, once the relative truth of bodhicitta arising by this strong determination, we want to free the suffering of the six wrongs of being. Once have these erased, the bodhicitta will fulfill. So the seed of attaining the Buddhahood is bodhicitta. Without the great compassion, no bodhicitta will arise. So the relationship between great compassion, bodhicitta, attain the Buddhahood, they are all interconnected. So that's why a lot of Bodhisattvas' behavior you can truly see from their conduct is more accessible and more adoptable for all the practitioners. Because the Buddha has already attained their Buddhahood. They already fulfill, complete. So there's no progress or cultivation actually we can examine or to learn from. But Bodhisattva path is the long progress practice to attain the Buddhahood. So that's why as a cultivator, it's so important to study and to learn Bodhisattva's conduct and attitude, how they serving, helping all the beings from suffering. So I hope by my short sharing of bodhicitta, relationship with great compassion, can also help you to understand the closer to the Buddha and the Bodhisattva, the more we will realize as ordinary human how self-attached we are. And I hope you enjoy my sharing today, and hope next time you'll join me again on this path. Thank you.